Hi, and welcome to the Wayne County Probate Court. This video will guide you in filling out Form PC-573, Notice of Appointment and Duties of Personal Representative. Before we get started, this video is not legal advice and is for informational purposes only. You need to seek legal advice for questions specific to your situation. So let's pull the form up from the Wayne County Probate Court website at www.wcpc.us. Here's the home page, and you can click on Probate Information in the upper middle. Then you'll see a link to how to close a Wayne County probate case. This relates to a decedent's estate, so click on that link. I'm going to just do a Control F search for the form number. And as you can see on the web page, there's a lot of great information. Under number 7, as part of the order of discharge, which is not required, there is Form PC-573. Click on that link. It brings up the form, and you can begin to fill it out right on your computer. So in the upper left, you'll put in the County of Wayne. In the upper right, you'll put in the file number, which you can find on the court's website through the link Case Access. You'll put in the estate of, this is the decedent. Then number 1, you'll see this is addressed to all interested persons. It says on, you'll type in the date that you were appointed personal representative as requested in the application or petition for probate of this estate. Copy attached unless previously sent to the interested person. Then it says I am serving without bond or with bond in the amount of. So this means you are serving as the personal representative, and you need to indicate whether it's without bond or with bond, and then type in the amount. The papers related to the estate are on file with the Wayne County Probate Court, located at, you can type in the court address, which is on the website. This, you'll check the appropriate box, is or is not a supervised administration. Number 2, attaches a copy of the will of the decedent, which, check the appropriate box, was or was not admitted to probate, under which I will administer, manage, and distribute the estate. Number 3, the court does not supervise the personal representative in the administration of an estate except in limited circumstances. Number 4, if I was appointed informally, you or another interested person may petition the court objecting to my appointment and or demanding that I post a bond or an additional bond. The petition must be filed with the probate court along with the applicable fee. Unless the court grants the petition, I will continue to serve as appointed. Number 5, you or another interested person may petition for a hearing by the court on any matter at any time during the administration of the estate, including for distribution of assets and allowance of expenses of administration. The petition must be filed with the probate court along with the applicable fee. Number 6, if you continue to be an interested person, such as an heir of an interested intestate estate or devisee or beneficiary under the will of the decedent, I will provide you with a copy of the inventory within 91 days of my appointment. 2, unless waived by you, a copy of an account including fiduciary fees and attorney fees charges to the estate within 1 year of my appointment. And 3, a copy of the closing statement or settlement petition when the estate is ready for closing. Number 7, to avoid penalties, I must have paid any federal estate and Michigan estate taxes within 9 months after the date of the decedent's death or another time period specified by law. The estate may not be closed. Number 8, the estate may not be closed earlier than 5 months after the date of my appointment except in limited circumstances. If the estate is not settled within 1 year after my appointment, Within 28 days after the anniversary of the appointment, I must file with the court and send to each interested person a notice that the estate remains under administration and the reason for the continuation of the estate. If you do not receive such a notice, you may petition the court for a hearing on the necessity for the continued administration or foreclosure of the estate. Date of the notice, you'll put the date. If there's an attorney, they put their information here. If not, it can be left blank. You'll put your name, address, city, state, and zip, and telephone number. Then you'll see at the bottom it says, attention, the above duties are not the only duties required of the personal representative. This notice of appointment must be served to all interested persons within 14 days after the appointment of the personal representative. And then finally, on all SCAO forms, which is what this is, you'll see a reference, a statutory reference, and or a court rule reference. You can do an internet search to bring up the relevant statutory section. You want to make sure that when you click on the link, it's from the legislature.mi.gov. Once you confirm that, you may click it, and then you'll see the relevant statute, and you should definitely read it. And then similarly with the court rule MCR, you'll want to do an internet search. Now you want to make sure that you're clicking on the courts.michigan.gov website. Once you confirm that's the link, click on it. It brings you to a digital copy of the rules, and you can see it's updated May 10, 23. And then you can simply find the specific court rule. This is 5.304. Click on that. It brings up the court rule, and you should read this as well. So that's how you fill out Form PC 573. We put this together at the Wayne County Probate Court because we care. Have a great day.